Okay, number two, it's like a longer problem. Certainly number one was a long problem too, but let's take a look at number two. It says a curve C is given parametrically by x equals 3t squared and y equals 2t cubed. Show that the equation of the tangent to C, the curve, at the point 3p squared 2p cubed is y equals px minus p cubed. So we'll do one thing at a time. Let's do this first. Go to the whiteboard. And let's write down what we have over here. And again, it's good if you have the problem in front of you, which I do. I got to find it. And I just put it down. Let me see what they say here. Oh, I got it right here. Okay, so let's write this down. And so this is problem number two. And what are we told? There's a curve C. And the curve C is given parametrically, where x, the coordinate x, is given by 3t squared, and the coordinate y is given by 2t cubed. Now, they want the equation of the tangent line at the point. All right, so the point's going to be 3p squared, 2p cubed. All right, this is going to be the x value, and that's going to be the y value. All right, so I can write the equation of the line down. What's going to be? It's going to be y minus 2p cubed equals, this is going to be slope of tangent. I don't know that yet. And then it's going to be x minus 3p squared. All right. Now, they want me to show it something, but before I do that, I have to figure out what the slope of the tangent line is. The way to do that is I'm going to differentiate, and it's going to be dx dt is going to be 3, I'm sorry, not 3. Let me go backwards. And let me get my eraser out. I'll erase this. Start again. All right, so let's write that down. So dx dt is going to be 6t. dy dt is going to be 6t squared. So dy dx is going to be dy dt over dx dt. Oh boy, what are you going to get there? It's going to be 6t squared over 6t. And what do you get there? You just get t, right? The slope is just t. Now the question is like, what do I do about that? And I got to look at this thing over here and looking at it. And again, I'm looking at this thing over here, and I got this t in a problem. But I got this point, by the way. And so what's the t at that point? The t is just going to be equal to p. Look at it. You get 3t squared, that's 3p squared. 3t cubed, that's going to be 3t t equals p. So let's write this down. So y minus 2p cubed equals p times x minus 3p squared. All right, we got some work to do now. And the work I have to do now is figure this out. So you get y minus 2p cubed. That's going to be px minus 3p cubed. And then what I'm going to do is y will be equal to px. I'm going to add the 2p cubed to both sides, by the way. And that's going to give me minus p cubed. And again, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at what they said I should be able to show. And we just showed it. I mean, this is what we're supposed to show. We just completed that, so it's a QED. Right? Now, let me just read that again to you. It says the curve C is given parametrically by the equation x equals 3t squared, y equals 2t cubed. Show that the equation of the tangent line to C at the point is what we just showed it is, so we're good to go to the next part. So I'm going to pause this now, and we'll come back in a moment.